Whether you are a content creator or involved in the fields of photography or filmmaking professionally, regardless of how good or expensive equipment you may use, one thing always haunts us, and that is the fear of what if during a project our memory card gets corrupted or our hard drive fails. If something like this happens during a professional project, this scenario can jeopardize our career multiple times. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about a software that will completely eliminate your worries. The name of this software is Wondershare Recoverit. Whether you have accidentally deleted your data, or your SD card is corrupted, or your hard drive is crashed, it can recover your data in just a few clicks. For professionals like photographers, videographers, video and photo editors, this software is must-have. I have provided the link of this software in the description, you can check it out. In this video, we will explore the features of this software, and towards the end, I will demonstrate live data recovery from an SD card. So don't forget to watch the video until the end. And before moving forward, if you are liking this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Wondershare is a well-established name and has quite a few other software available in the market, such as Filmora Video Editor. Well, this software supports both Windows as well as Mac system, and a trial version is also available on their site for you to try before making a purchase. When you launch the software, its interface appears in a simple and straightforward manner. The first option here is a hard drive and location. Clicking on this option will display all the drives connected to your computer, whether they are internal drives, external drive, or an SD card. In case your drive is not visible here, click on the option in the bottom right hand corner and follow the provided instruction, and that will make your drive reappear. To recover the data here, simply double click on the drive. Scanning will start. After scanning is complete, select the files you want to recover from the list. Click on the recover button, specify the location where you want to save these files, and it's job done. The next option is for a system crashed computer. Using this software, you can recover important data from a crashed computer. For example, sometime in Windows system, we see this blue screen error, which is a system crash. In such situation, using this software, you can retrieve the data even from a crashed computer. The next option is related to NAS and Linux, suitable for those using NAS storage and Linux system. Whenever we unfortunately lose our data, there are usually only two reasons for it. Either the data get corrupted, meaning the photos and videos taken on the SD card are still visible but cannot be played on our system. That's how your files get corrupted. And the other reason is either we accidentally deleted our data, or our memory card or drive got crashed and resulting in a data loss. But don't worry, in this software we have a solution for these two situations as well. If we move forward, there is a section called Video and Photo Restore, and we can find the solution here. The first option here is Enhanced Recovery. In this mode, you can recover lost photos and videos from any storage device. High-resolution videos are often saved in small fragments within the storage device to manage the space. In this Enhanced Recovery mode, two scans run simultaneously to recover each and every fraction of your file, so that you can retrieve your video in original and highest possible quality. With this software, you can recover HD, Ultra HD, 4K or even 8K video file comfortably. Now, if you have a video that is visible in the storage drive but cannot be played because it's corrupted, don't worry, you can repair it using the next option, Corrupt Video Repair. So now let me give you a quick demonstration how do we recover the data from an SD card. Okay guys, so we have an SD card here. It's from my Canon camera, and I'll show you there is some data inside. Let's go inside these folder, and you can see that there are photos inside this SD card. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete these folders, both of these folders, and I'll also delete them from my recycle bin, so there should be no trace in my computer. So it's done. Now if I go back to my card and I show you the properties of this card, so you can see that it's a 32 GB card and it's completely empty. There is no data. Now let's open the Recoverit software and see if it can retrieve it. So we are going to use Enhanced Recovery mode, and here I cannot see it, so I will refresh it, and here is the card. I'll double click on it, and now you will see the option of video. So if you have videos in your card, you can select the format, video format. It will help the software, but in our case we just have photos, so I'll just choose the default and click OK, and our scan is complete. You can see the message, and now I'll press the OK button and go inside the folder. So here is our folder. Let's go to the JPEG folder first and see. So here it is. All the photos which we have deleted are back in the JPEG folder. Now let's also see if it can retrieve the raw file as well. So yeah, so here are all the Canon CR2 raw file. It also retrieved them successfully. While there is no other software in the market that can guarantee 100% data recovery, the review for this software are excellent with a success rate of 98%. This means that out of 100 times using this software, you can successfully recover data 98 times. The only important thing to keep in mind that your drive should not be physically damaged and it should work. If your drive is visible when it's connected to a computer, there is a 98% chance that this software can recover your data. Now, as mentioned previously, you can download a trial version of this software and try it out. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you think about this software. If you have any question or any doubt, please comment below and I'll try to answer as soon as I can. And I'll see you soon with my next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.